In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on autoplay on YouTube the fast way. Whether you're looking to enjoy an endless stream of content or simply prefer the convenience of hands-free video watching, turning on autoplay is a simple process that takes no time at all. Let's dive into how you can quickly get this feature going on your desktop. First, you'll need to be on YouTube, so open up your browser and navigate to the YouTube website at youtube.com. Once you're there and have arrived at any video, shift your focus to the video player area. You're looking for a little yet significant element, the autoplay toggle switch. This is conveniently located in the bottom right-hand corner of the video player. Just next to the settings and subtitles buttons, you should spot it. Now here's what you need to do. Look for that toggle switch. It is generally represented by a small icon or button that looks like a play icon on a loop. If your autoplay is currently off, what you'll see is a gray icon. When you click on it once, it'll switch to blue, signaling that autoplay is now enabled. Conversely, if you're looking to turn it off again, a simple click will turn it gray, indicating the feature is disabled. It's really that straightforward. Enabling autoplay enhances your viewing experience by automatically queuing up and playing the next video related to or similar to what you're currently watching. This means more entertainment and less effort in manually searching and selecting the next video yourself. However, keep in mind that this feature will continue playing videos until you decide to stop it manually. So make sure to disable it if you want to have control over the video playback after each video ends. One handy tip is to check the playlist or up next queue that appears on the right side of your screen while you're watching. This gives you an idea of what will play next if autoplay is turned on, so you can decide if you want to intervene or let it play on its own. So that's the quick and efficient way to ensure your autoplay feature is up and running on YouTube while you're on your desktop. Enjoy your newfound convenience and the uninterrupted stream of your favorite videos, whether you're diving into a series of tutorials, music videos, or any other content that YouTube has to offer. Thanks for watching, and happy viewing!